Okay, I've got two Dwyer CO2 sensors. They're CDT-5W40s. Has a 0 to 5,000 part per million CO2 sensor. I've had these things hooked up now since 10:30. It is now 11:15, so I've had 45 minutes to warm up. I've got one reading 3.49 and 5.5. Let's call it 3.5 and 5.5, just to round off. I've got these set up in my garage, in my shop. It's lots of fresh air coming in. I don't know why they're reading differently, but they seem to be. I've got them set up for 0 to 20 milliamp for output. And I'll pop one of these off. And we can see the jumper settings are consistent with that. It's set for current. And look at the other one just to make sure they're set up the same. Okay, and as you can see, they're both set up identically. So if we have, let's do some math here, we do 5,000 parts per million divided by 20 milliamps, we get 250 parts per million per milliamp. We take that, 250 ppm per mA, times 3.5 milliamps. We get 875 parts per million. And on the other one, 250 times 5.5 equals, we get 1375 parts per million. Now, seeing as we are more or less outside, I would expect it to be around 400 parts per million. This is reading considerably higher. However, that is consistent with the numbers I was getting when I was collecting data. The green line shows about what we're reading here, over 1,000. The blue line reads what it actually is from another sensor that I had. And I'm running this on 24 volt DC, and this is the results I get.